Vedic mathematics, right? So, dear students, you may feel something interested in this topic, right? You may feel what is the connection between this Veda and mathematics, okay? Or little more close, I can tell us what is the connection between this religion and mathematics. Not only Hindu religion, what is the connection between Christian religion or Muslim religion, whatever your religion, what is the connection with this religion with mathematics, right? So I also just think what is the connection between this religion and mathematics. Okay. Later I found one conclusion. This may be the connection. Okay. So I will explain you what I feel what is the connection between religion and mathematics. Okay. So I hope the board is visible to all. You see in mathematics, right? We are always discussing with the numbers, right? We are discussing with the zero, we are discussing with the negative numbers, we are discussing with the positive numbers, right? So in mathematics, always we are discussing with the numbers, three type of numbers. This is just introduction only. So those who need a note, please take it, okay? Main notes, once I start, I will tell you. Okay. So the max always we are discussing with the numbers. We are discussing with the zero, we are discussing with the positive numbers, and we are discussing negative numbers, right? So when negative comes to our mind, what we feel is negative. We'll feel as negative thoughts, negative mind, right? Negative feelings, everything negative, right? So negative, I will represent as evil, evilness. Negative things I'm represented as evilness. That's not a good thing. That's a bad thing, right? So I will represent as evil things. But when we hear about positive things, when we hear about positive things, what comes to our mind is positive thought, right? Positive thinking, positive feeling. Everything will come to your mind is positive way, right? Everything will come to your mind is positive, right? That is, I will note as goodness, right? So negative means I will not have evilness, positive things I will not have goodness. Okay. Whatever your religion, if you are Christian, Muslim or Hindu, whatever religion, what all religion teaches, how to change evilness to good, right? How to change evilness to good, right? Whatever your religion, the religion teaches how to change evilness to good. Okay. We see between evilness and good, there is one zero is there, right? Between evilness and good, there is one zero is there. Okay. So what I feel is the zero is a representation of our God, the symbol of our God. Zero, maybe. Okay. So the zero will help us evilness to good, right? See, number system, it will take from left to right. So when we move to left to right, okay, all religion will teach us evilness to good. Okay. In meanwhile, I'm telling one thing. When we do one multiplication, suppose we are doing multiplication, you are doing from see 3 into 1 is 3. You are doing from right. So in normal class, whenever you do a calculation, okay, whenever do you do something in maths, you are doing from right to left, right? Whenever you do multiplication, you can check you are doing in addition, you are doing in division, you are doing from right to left, right? But in Vedic maths, what we are going to do, 90% of problems we are doing from left to right. Left to right means evilness to goodness. Okay. So my dear student, what I want to tell is that may be connection between this religion and maths. That is old religion teaches. Old religion teaches to move evilness to good, right? Evilness to good. That means Vedic maths, what we are going to learn is we are going to learn a new method. Okay. Whatever the problem we are doing, we are calculating from left to right. Okay. So whenever the Vedic maths concept come to your mind, you should remember we are doing calculation from left to right, from left side to right side. Normal our calculation we are doing from right to left. Okay, here we are doing from left to right our calculation. Okay, so I hope it's clear. What is the connection between this religion and naturalism? So Vedas, right? You know there are four Vedas exist, right? So mainly Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvaveda, right? India is an ancient country, right? India is an ancient country. So India contributed a lot of things to the world, right? Suppose I can tell us India recently, all countries are accepted, right? India's yoga. You know about yoga, right? Yoga is India's contribution to the world. Okay. And I can tell us medical field. If someone is asking medical field, what is India's contribution? I can tell us Ayurveda. Ayurveda is India's contribution to the world. Okay. And some more easily I can tell us. Suppose you all are interested in food items, right? So I can tell us chicken tikka. Chicken tikka is India's contribution to the world, right? So there are each and every field India is contributed. So if anyone asking you what is India's main contribution to the field of mathematics, we can easily tell us Vedic mathematics is India's contribution to the world. Okay, you can proudly tell us Vedic mathematics is India's contribution, pure India's contribution to the world. Vedic math. There is no other country contributed anything in Vedic maths. Only India is contributed. Okay, so India is based on Hindu religion based country, right? That's why we had more discussion with the Vedas. Right? So we don't know actually who wrote Veda and when they wrote Veda. The real time we don't know. Okay, around 300 BC itself. Okay, before Christ, around 300 BC itself, these Vedas are exist. Okay, so there are mainly four type Vedas. There are mainly four type Vedas. That Vedas are Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvaveda. Okay, there are four type Vedas. Okay, you all know which are the Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, and Atharvaveda. Okay, in this fourth Veda, Atharva Veda, the last fourth Veda, Atharva Veda. Okay, this Veda, you know which language is Vedas are written? It's written in the form of Sanskrit. Okay, Vedas are written in the form of Sanskrit. So in this fourth Veda, there are many material related to science, astronomy, architects. Okay, there are many materials are the medical field, many materials related to there. Okay? And there are some material related to mathematics also there. Okay? But in early century, that means early 14th, 15th century or 16th century, some mathematician, when they research to the Vedas, they didn't feel anything interested in this Veda. Okay? So they just neglect it because they're written in the form of Sanskrit. It's not very easy to understand. Okay, many things. So they just neglect this Vedas. But in early of the 20th century, okay, early of 20th century, a monk from India, okay, his name is I wrote on the board Swami Bharati Krishna Tirthaji. Okay, should remember this name. Swami Bharati Krishna Tirthaji. He was a monk from India. Is not only a monk, he was a great mathematician. Okay, he's not only a monk, he was a great mathematician. Swami Bharati Krishna Tirthaji. He was a great mathematician. Okay. So he went to this Atharva Veda. Starting, he didn't find anything interested in this Veda, right? Anything related to maths and all. But I told him already, I told already as a monk, right? So he went for meditation. He was good in meditation. So around 1911 to 1918, around 1911 to 1918, he went for meditation. Yeah. So in this meditation period, Okay, from this Veda, he formed 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutra. Sutra means, sutra is a Sanskrit word. Okay, sutra means formula. You know max formula. Okay, sutra means it's for max formula. So sub sutra means sub formula. So there are total 29 max formula. He derived from Atharva Veda. 29 max formula. Okay, and later he proved that using this 29 formula, we can do all the existing max problem, arithmetic, all arithmetic, geometric, whatever the problems are, using this 29 formulas, we can do it. Okay, so later in 1958, okay, after these many years, in 1958, he published a book name is Vedic Mathematics. Okay, who published? Swami Bharati Krishna Tirtha published a book, Vedic Mathematics. Okay, this book is considered as the basement, okay, of Vedic mathematics. Okay, so whatever after that also many mathematicians they search for the concept, they found some new things and they write a book and all. But this book is considered basement of Vedic mathematics, and he is known as the father of Vedic mathematics. Okay, Swami Bharati Krishna Tirtha. Okay, so whatever the technique we are going to study from this book, okay, Vedic mathematics book. Okay, and this subject is a very big subject. Okay, there are many methods are there. Okay, but as a students, okay, now after your school level, no, after 11th, 12th, you may attend many competitive exams, right? You may attend IIT, JET, medical entrance, engineering. So what is specialty of this one is we have to find answer in a particular time interval. Within 1 minute you have to answer. Just like how we are doing in online exam. 1 minute, one answer you have to attend, right? So we should do calculation very fast. So normal method maybe it will take a lot of time. Okay. So when we practice Vedic maths, okay, maybe some method you will feel starting a little difficult, but when we practice, okay, then it will you may get more easy. Okay, this is like just like fun method. It will help your mental to develop more. Okay, so here we are short time. So what we are going to do, we'll just practice main thing: multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, which are the basic we need for school level. Okay. So there are two methods are there. I will read as specific method and general method. Specific method means it is applicable to on some special number only. General method means it is applicable to all numbers. Okay. So I hope you understood what is the concept behind Vedic mathematics, how Vedic mathematics is important. If you are all understood, I will just start our first technique. We are starting with the multiplication. Okay, multiplication of specific method, one specific number. I hope everyone understood. Okay. So what I am going to start is we are starting a small topic, multiplication of 11. Okay, you can write the heading multiplication of 11. Okay, multiplication this specific method only. This method apply for multiplying only 11 only 11. Okay, multiplication of 11. Any number if we multiply by 11. Okay. So one small problem writing 15 into 11. 15 into 11. So normally 15 into 11, what we are doing is our normal method. We are starting from right? You know how to calculate 15 into 11. What we will do is we will multiply 5, 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 5, 5. You will get 165. 50 into 11, you will get 152. Okay, so we start from right to left. So in Vedic maths, what you have to remember, 50 into 11, in multiplication, what you have to remember, what you have to do is, just write this one downstairs. Just write that one downstairs. Okay. Here I am just writing one box for your information. Just write this 5 downstairs. Okay. So what I did is, I just write one downstairs. I wrote 5 downstairs. Here I wrote one box. In box, what you have to do is just add these two numbers. If the number is 1 and 5, just add 1 plus 5. You know 1 plus 5 is 6. Right? So that number you have to write here, 165. Okay, now you see the answer 165. See, you got here 165. Okay, I hope method is clear. Once again, I will tell you. First you write 1, then you write 5. In middle that box, just add 1 and 5. 1 plus 5, you write 165. Okay. So one more problem will do. One more problem will do. If somebody is not understand method, you can unmute and you can ask, okay? Don't disturb the full class if somebody is not understand the method. Suppose 23 into 11. We will do 2, 3 problems. 23 into 11. You see that I am starting from right side. Okay, I am starting from right side. First, what I do, just write the 2. Just write the 2. And I just put a box. Just write the 3. Once you practice it, after practicing, you don't need to write the box, okay? You can do fastly. See, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So answer is 253. So answer is 253. Right? Answer is 253. One more you can try. One more you can try. 35 into 11. Everyone can try. 35 into 11. 35 into 11. I hope everyone get the answer very easily, right? Very easily you got the answer. 3, 5, here. 3 plus 5, 8. 385. Check all are getting 385. If you are getting 385, you can show a thumbs up on side. Those are getting 384, I can see. Yeah, good. All are getting 385, right? Yeah, I am seeing many are getting. Yes. This is small number, right? Now, yeah. Okay, very good. All are getting. Now we are going little more bigger number. Okay, we are starting with a small number and we are going little more bigger number. You see, I'm writing 88, 88, 87, 87. Little more bigger number. 87. First step is saying 1, then box. Last step is saying 7. See 8 plus 7. 15, right? So box I wrote 15. Box I wrote 15. Okay. But here you have to take care of one thing. Okay, here I have to remember one thing. Box always one number only possible. Okay. So what I am going to do is just see first this number no change. Then this unit number you can write 5. In box, 2 numbers are there. This second number you can carry to here. This one you can carry to here. So 1 plus 1. What is 1 plus 1? 2. So I can write as 257. Oh, sorry, here 8, okay? Here I made a mistake. This number is 8. Nobody. This is 8, okay? I made a mistake. This is 8, right? Here 8 and 7. Then 8 plus 1, 9 will come, right? 9, 957. Sorry, 957. 8 plus 1 is 9, right? 957. 957. Sorry, I just made a 8. 8 plus 1 is 957. Okay? One more will do. 94 into 11. 94 into 11. First number is 9. Okay, 9, okay? 9. Here it is 8. Then box. Last number is 4. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 plus 4 is 13. This one you can carry to here. 1 carry to here. Okay? 1 you can carry to here. So 4, 3. When 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10. Check you are getting 1034. Check you are getting 1034. Or are getting 1034. Right? Now I will give one question. 75 into 11. We can try. 75 into 11. 75 into 11. Yeah, many are getting answer. Okay, so many are getting answer, right? See, within less than 5 seconds, right? We will get answer less than 5 seconds. Once you practice 7, 5, then here come 12. 12 it will come. So 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. 825. You will get answer 825. Very easy, right? 820. So once you practice, once you practice this question, this box you can avoid. You can avoid the box. No need to write. You can write directly answer 825. Suppose I will give one question. Now you try to practice without box directly. Okay. 65 into 11. 65, 11. Without box. Try without box. You remember 6 plus 5, 11 will come, right? So 1 should carry. So this number become, so 6 plus 5, 11, right? So this number should become 7, 1, 5. Within one step, 7, 1, 5. Right? So like that you should practice. Okay? 6 plus 5, 11. So 1 should carry 6 and 6 becomes 7. This is 1. Okay? So this is 2 digit, right? Now we will go to next level. We will check how to put 3 digit, 3 digit to 11. This is 2 digit number, right? Now we are going to 3 digit. I hope 2 digit is clear for everyone, right? 2 digit number multiplication is clear for everyone. So I'm just taking 3 digit number. This is only the particular case of 11 only. Okay, other numbers we will do some other methods. This is the case of 11 only we are doing. Okay. So now you see 3 digit number. 3 digit into 11. 3 digit into 11. What I am going to do? I am going to do 3 digit into 11. 3, 1, 12. 3, 1, 12. One additional step we will add. Same method only. First 3. First 3. Previously only one box. Here I will do 2 box. Okay, 2 box. Then last 2. Okay. So first and last same. I just made 2 box. So first box this one 3 plus 1. What is 3 plus 1? 4. 3 plus 1. Okay, 3 plus 1. This box. Second box these two numbers 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2? 3. Okay. Understood? So what I did is first number, last number same. First number and last number same. Okay. There are 2 box. First box, first 2 number. Second box, the last 2 number. 1 plus 2, 3. The answer is 3, 4, 3, 2. Answer is 3, 4, 3, 2. Okay. So only the difference is I made a 2 box. You can try one question. I'll give you 4, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. 4, 2, 3. You can try. How many are getting? Hassan got C. August got Ribon. Anjida. Sandan. Nidina. Yeah, good. If any method, if anyone have doubt, you can ask me, okay? Yeah, my many students are there. Salva is there. Prakash is there. Yeah, good. Yes. So I'm just writing the answer. First 4, last 3, 2 box. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 3, 5. So check you are getting answer 4, 6, 5, 3. 4, 6, 5, 3 in one step. 4, 6, 5, 3. See, very easy, right? You are getting answer within one step. Even though, see, numbers are big numbers, but you are getting answer less than 5 seconds, right? Our normal method will take time. So now 423, now little more bigger number. Little more bigger number. Little more bigger number. I do 8, 4, 3. 8, 4. First step is same. Last step is same. 2 box. First box 12. Check all are getting first box 12. Second box 7. First box 12. Second box. And earlier I told you, in a box only one number only possible. If box 2 number is there, we will give to other side. Okay. So 3 I will write, no problem. 7 I will write, there is no problem. In 12, 2 I can keep, 1 you can carry to the step. 12, 2 you can keep there, 1 carry to the step. So 8 plus 1, 9. You will get 9273. You will get 9273. You will get 92. Little more bigger number. Okay. Now I'm giving a little more bigger number. Eight, nine, seven. Same method. First and last. Then there are two boxes. First box, 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9, 17. Second box, 9 plus 7, 16. Now can you rearrange? Check how can you rearrange? Seven. 6 you can write here, right? 6 you can write here. So once I carry this number to here, this one I carry to here, this 17 become 18, right? Once you carry this one to here, it will become 18. So I'm writing 8. Then you can carry one to here. So it will become 9. Check you are getting 9867. 9867. 9867. Check you are getting 9867. Once I will tell you, there are two carrying is here. Okay? First is 7, then 6. This one carry here. 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay? This one carry here. 8 plus 1 is 9. So both numbers are carrying. Okay? So once you carry, this carry 7 plus 1 is 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. So two carrying is here. Okay? One more question you try. This is two carry. 7, 6, 5. Two carrying will be there. You can try. There will be two carrying. There will be two carrying. Hope you are getting answer very easily. Right? Yeah. Many are getting. Jocelyn. Yeah, Amrita. Many are getting good. Rahil. Yes, Nigida. Arshi. Manna. Arna. Yeah. Good, good. Many are getting. Angela. Zainab, Devika. Nisa. Gerald. Good. Yes, how many are getting the answer? Right? Still, if someone is troubling, one more time. First is 7, last to 5. I made a two box. Made a two box. 7 plus 6, first box. 7 plus 6 is 13. 7 plus 6, 13. Second box. 6 plus 5, 11. 7 plus 6 and 6 plus 5, 11. First to 5. I wrote 1. Carry. Then it will become 4. Right? When we carry the 3 become 4. Carry. Then it become 8. So you check your answer. 8415. 8415 your answer. Good. So this method is easy, right? So once again, now if any exam, when you try with 11, you can try for it. Okay, it will help it. Okay. Now maybe you think why is are giving only for 11? Okay. Why we can do some other numbers also. So multiplication, I'm telling there are many methods are there. So with that one, I just selected one some easy methods only. Okay. So it is one of the easy method is general for multiplication. General method I'm going to explain. Okay, with the name crisscross method. Okay, so I'm just teach you basic of the next section. Okay, next multiplication. So I'm just writing crisscross method. I'm writing the heading crisscross method. We can write the heading crisscross method. Crisscross method. This is for multiplication. Okay, crisscross method. The main thing this method is, okay, we can multiply one digit number to one digit, that is easy. Two digit number to two digit, three digit number to three digit. Digit should be same. Then only I'll apply this method. Okay. So crisscross method I'll apply one digit number to one digit, two digit number to two digit, three digit number to three digit like that. Okay. One digit is easy. So we are going to do two digit into two digit. We are going to multiply two digit number into two digit. Okay. Two digit into two digit. Two digits into two digits. We are going to multiply two digits number to two digit number. Method name is crisscross method. Okay, crisscross method. I'll just start with a small example. 23 into 12. We start with a small example. 23 into 12. In the starting, I will explain as three steps. Okay, and finally we'll combine all this stuff. Then it will be easy. Okay, starting. So first step. First step, what I am writing is, you see, I am just noting four dots. Okay, this four dot does represent these numbers. Okay, these four numbers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so first you have to do is Chris multiplication. These two number multiply. See, I am starting from right. Okay, for your information, I just start from right side. These two number multiply. Okay. So which are the numbers? This first two numbers. See, 2 and 1. 2 into 1. You will get 2. That is the first step. Okay? That is the first step. Second step. Second step, what I am going to do is, see, crest means vertical multiplication. Okay. After vertical, crest means vertical. Okay. Cross means, you know, a cross product, right? How to take cross? See, like this. So second step, I am going to cross. Okay. You see how I am going to cross? 2, 2. 2 twos are 4. Okay. I'm writing here. 2 twos are 4. After first cross, you have to add. Okay. 1 threes are 3. 4 plus 3, 7. So what I did is 2 twos are 4. 1 threes are 3. 4 plus 3, 7. You are getting 7. In middle you are getting 7. Middle one you are getting 7. Understood how you are getting 7? Cross. 2 twos are 4. 1 threes are 3. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. And third step is, and our third step is Same numbers. The last two numbers are there, right? Last two numbers multiply. Third step is you have to multiply last two numbers. What's the last two number? What's the last two number? 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 6. So your answer should be 276. Your answer will be 276. Your answer will be 276. See how easily you are getting? Once you practice, it will become easy, okay? First, 2 into 1. Previous problems here also we can make a box. That box means cross. 2 twos are 4, 1 threes are 3, 4 plus 3 is 7. Then 3 twos are 6, so you get 276. Okay, 3 step. First, then cross, then last. Remember, okay? First two number multiply, middle is cross one, last again last two number multiply. 3 steps, you will get the answer. Any 2-digit number multiply, you will get the answer. Okay? Hope you understood. One more problem we'll try. Okay? So those who are not getting, one more problem. $33 24. Small number will do. After that, we will do big number. Okay? 32 into 22. Just remember the 3 step, do directly. Just remember the 3 step, do directly. No need to write the dot and all. Okay, do directly. Three twos are 6. Check all are getting 6 first. Okay, once I am writing the method, first step I did 3 into 2. 6. Okay. Second step, what I am going to do is cross. 3 threes are 9, 2 threes are 6. That you are getting 15 in middle. Just make a box, okay? 15 in middle. Last step, 3 threes are 9. Just like our previous, okay? 2 number is there, we should carry 1 number. So 9, 5, 7. This one should carry. That is our general method. One should carry. So you are getting 7, 5, 9. Right? Crisscross method. Yes. So little more big number. One more number will do. Hope this is understood, right? One more. We'll do 47. 60. Whenever 2 number is there, okay, whenever multiplying getting 2 number, make in a box. Okay. Whenever if you multiply, suppose you multiply 7 into 6, you are getting 2 number, make in a box. So that 1 number you can give to next step. Okay. Whenever 2 number is there, you can give to the box. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 1. That goes 6 fours are 24. 6. 1 sevens are 7. Check you are getting 31. When you are doing cross, check you are getting 31. Yes. So I just made a box, okay, because of 2 numbers. I just made a box. The last multiplication, 7 into 6, 42. That also 2 number is there, right? So because of 2 number, I just made a box. Because of 2 number, I just made a box. Because 7, 6 are 42, right? Because of 2 number, I just made a box. So first 2. So which number I am going to carry? I am going to carry 4. Okay. I am going to carry 4. I'm going to carry 4. So 4 plus 1, 5. Once I carry 4, it will become 5. Then I'm carry 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. So you got 752. You got 752 in one step. Right? You got 752 in one step. See? 7, 6, 2. So because once you practice, no, you do little more fast these numbers, okay? You will get little more fast, just find the answer. Okay? One more and we will wind up. You can write. I'll give one question. 53 into 35. 53 into 35. 53 into 35. Fifty-three into 35. Okay, Franklin got. Let's see here. Ryan got. Madhav got. Alan got. Someone name just writing Aman Brang like that, which I'm not calling. Okay. If you write the name before, I can see. Masin, Taha, Avas, Kaushal, Vaishnav, Kalva, Niyadar, Iswan, Joan, Julius. Yeah, Niyadar. But still, someone are not getting. Just do fast. Some students. Yeah, Aisha. So just check your answer is correct, okay? First 5 and 3, 15 because of two numbers. So I just write it. Then cross 25 plus 9. 25 plus 9, 36. Check you are getting 36. Last one, 3 plus 5, 15. All are in info. Okay. Carry the numbers to next step, okay? 5, carry 1, 7, carry 3, 5 plus 3, 8. 1875. Check your answer is 1875. Oh, 34. Sorry, okay, 34, right? 25 plus 9. 34. 1855. 1855, right? This one, 5 into 5 is 25, 3 into 3 is 9. 25 plus 9, 34, right? 34. So, check your answer. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1855. You are getting 1855. Okay. So, like that we will do. Next class we will do 3 by 3 number, little bigger number and little 4 number and all. Okay? So, starting I'm not giving you more. Okay. So, you can just practice. Okay. This is randomly. Okay. So, I no need to give extra number. You can take any two number, you can multiply, right? First method. You can take 11 and multiply any number. You can take any two numbers, two digit number, 55 into 77. You can do yourself, right? So once you practice, you will get more easy this multiplication. Okay. So I hope all you understood, right? So now our next section will be Thursday. Okay.